Neulion and the WWE, Worldwide Wrestling, have partnered to produce and to deliver to fans, Rolling Stone fans all over the world, the Stones' 50th anniversary concert series called One More Shot. And the last concert is going to be at the Prudential Center over in New Jersey on December 15th. And WWE is going to produce that whole event, and then we partnered with them. They're going to use our Neulion TV Everywhere platform to deliver the live concert very interactively on tablets, smartphones, and PCs. So it's going to be pretty cool. This is a pay-per-view event, so we're going to make the concert available live anywhere in the world. So we have to be able to take a transaction in multiple currencies. We've got to be able to deliver anywhere in the world. So not only do we got to collect the money, we got to be able to deliver, an HD broadcast to a fan anywhere in the world that may be on their smartphone, on their tablet, or on their PC. And then that purchase will also give the fan the ability to go back and watch it on demand for the next 30 days. So not only do we deliver the live broadcast anywhere in the world, but they can also get it on demand, and then we have to activate that transaction and then deliver the service, provision the service for the user. We work with a bunch of CDNs that support the delivery of a global broadcast like this, so whether it's Limelight or Akamai or others, Level 3. What we do is we've built for this Rolling Stones concert, if you can imagine a Google map. We have this whole quality of service system that looks like a Google map, so we can see where all the Stones fans are, what device they're watching it on, and what level of service are we delivering for the concert. And then we can actually move traffic around so that we can ensure the quality of the broadcast. We did 40,000 live events last year, primarily in sports. We did the Olympics with CCTV this past summer. We delivered 5,600 hours of programming. I think we had a peak concurrent of about 400,000 fans that watched, just a ton of that. So this is a great opportunity for us to take what we've done in live sports and now apply it to other forms of live entertainment. And live concerts and live plays and things like that are a great new market for us, and we're excited to have the Stones as the opener.